Okay, guys. Okay. What's up, Tag Renovations? So I'm gonna show you guys how to turn this door into a better door, like this one. Okay, so quick, real fast. There's a couple ways that you can replace an exterior door, interior door. It really doesn't matter. You can pop these pins out here, or you can just take the whole hinge off and put a new hinge on. Or you can try to match up this side of the hinge with the new door, and see if you can just take the pins out here and re-put the new door back. So a couple of things that you got to make sure that you're doing is you really want to measure your door out. So this was a 32-inch door. Just like everything else, it's not necessarily exactly 32 inches, but that's just how they typically round up or whatever when they do these doors. Most doors are typically 80 inches by 80 inches tall, and then 32 inches wide is 36, and also 30 is another pretty common door length, but this one was 32, and we was luckily actually able to find this at the reuse store for $100. So a lot of times, you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, you're probably looking at $250 or so just for the door, and then plus labor. So when you're looking at probably another $250 for an exterior door or something like that. But yeah, that's a quick and dirty on how to replace an exterior door.